What's up, online shoppers? I'm so excited about this new arrival. This is a set of 2 satin pillowcases for my king size bed. I am so excited to sleep on these because I've heard nothing but awesome comments about how you feel after you've slept on satin pillowcases. Let's open up the box and see what they look like. But let's talk about the box. The box is super cute. This would make such a nice gift for someone as well because it just looks adorable when you open it. I ordered the black ones. Let me tell you, they feel delicious. They're super soft on my skin. They just slide. They're so silky. Now there they are stretched out. This is for a king size bed. One of the reasons I wanted these satin pillowcases is because I've heard they are so nice and gentle on hair and skin. Now satin pillowcases have low moisture absorbency, which means they're not going to be pulling the moisture out of my hair when I sleep on it. That's going to go a long way towards hair health. Another great thing about these satin pillowcases is that sleeping on them is a cool experience. It feels cooler sleeping on satin than it does on a traditional polyester or cotton pillowcase. And I think this is going to be just delightful in the summertime. Now let's talk about the quality of these. One of the reasons I ordered this is because it had a zipper enclosure. But look at this. It looks almost uninterrupted. Like I can't find where the opening is. Like this. Oh, look, there's the opening. It's got this gorgeous hidden zipper. So you can't even see the zipper in the pillowcase. So let's open up this cute little pull. And there we go. The quality of these is awesome. The feel, oh my goodness, it's so nice. And the zipper is hidden inside of the pillowcase. I've had slippery pillowcases before, and I found myself frustrated because the pillow slipped out all the time. But look at this. I just pop my pillow in, I just pull this closed, zip it up, and no pillow escaping. That's awesome. Sleeping on satin like this is almost frictionless, which means there are many benefits to that as well. For hair, for eyelashes, and for skin. Now my first impression of these is they're awesome. I love how good the quality is in this. Like I said to you before, I couldn't even find the opening at first. The zipper is really well hidden. The seams are tightly stitched. There's no imperfections in the stitching whatsoever. I love the black color. I can just imagine these going on the pillows on my bed right now, and I think it's gonna be fantastic. If you are looking for a really nice set of satin pillowcases with all those benefits, I think these ones are awesome. I definitely would recommend them. I'm pretty sure these are going to be a family favorite at my house.